So do you want to know how to block spam comments on YouTube? If you have a YouTube channel, it either will happen or it already has happened. People will either post spam or rude comments on your videos, and this is how to stop them. Welcome to Entrepreneur's Toolbox. I'm Jonathan, and I'm here to help you find the tools to build an income online. New videos go up every week, so make sure that you subscribe and ring the bell so you get notified every time that a new video goes live. People posting links, their email address, their YouTube channel, hate speech, being rude to other commenters. I do a lot of affiliate marketing on my channel, so I get a lot of people posting their links to products that I promote. Little note, that's not how to make money online. Don't spam. We will stop you. Whatever your reason for wanting to block spam comments on your YouTube videos, it's very simple to do. So you're gonna wanna go to YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio, you could either get there by going to studio.youtube.com, or you can go to youtube.com, go to the top right corner, click the icon, and click YouTube Studio. Once you're in YouTube Studio, just go to the left bar and click on comments. This will give you 3 different categories. One is published. Those are the ones that made it through any kind of filter. The second one is called held for review. This category is ones that they think might be spam, but they want you to take a look at it and verify one way or another if you think it's spam or not. So the third tab is likely spam, which almost guaranteed almost every single time it's spam, but not always. Like this one, nice video, check out. Now this one got flagged for some reason. I don't know why, but I'll send that through. But this one, they blatantly just threw a affiliate link to the product that I was promoting, trying to get somebody to buy through their link versus mine where I made the review. If these are spam, you could just verify that they're spam or not. If it isn't spam, you just click to check, it gets approved and it shows up in the comments. And same with held for review. If you want, you can just click okay if you like that. This person, they were trying to get people to reach out to them in their email address. So for somebody like this, they're trying to do that. I like to report them. So I report them as spam. The reason that I report it instead of just deleting it is because that helps flag it for other channels that they might be spamming on. And maybe somebody else isn't keeping as close of a track of it as I am. Now, another thing that you could do if you have somebody pretty aggressively commenting on your videos and leaving spam or links like this person, they're leaving a link. They're probably just they're not going to deliver value. They're just doing that. So what I typically do with that is I could hide that viewer from my channel. I could report them or I could hide them. Now, if I hide them, they just disappear. And if they comment on my channel at all, it just doesn't appear anymore. They're shadow banned. So think about that. Anybody that has a YouTube channel could shadow ban anyone. So again, just from here, you could either approve, delete, report, or shadow ban. So keep an eye on the comment section in your YouTube Studio and you'll be able to keep your comment section nice and clean. The comment section is a no spam zone. So what's your favorite YouTube tips and tricks? Let us know in the comments. If you want to learn more YouTube tips and tricks like this, check out this video next. And don't forget to subscribe and I will see you in the next one.